Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. This video is on the best RC drift cars. This list is the result of detailed research and hands-on testing, considering features, pricing, quality, and brand reputation. Make sure to check the description below for more details and up-to-date pricing. We've included all the links in the description below. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and press the bell so you never miss out on our latest videos.
Starting at number 5, HTURCCOP RC Drift Car. Think RC drift cars are just toys? Let's rethink that. I'm an RC hobbyist with years of competitive racing experience. Many believe RC cars can't deliver real drifting excitement, but the HTURCCOP RC Drift Car changes the game entirely. Its classic aerodynamic design isn't just for looks, it's engineered for speed. High-toughness PVC shell and nylon body withstand hard impacts. Equipped with 4x body and a powerful motor for stable, high-speed drifting. Switch easily between race and drift tires for any surface. 2.4 GHz remote ensures precise, responsive control, even with multiple cars. LED headlights let you race day or night, always in style. Dual rechargeable batteries mean up to 60 minutes of non-stop action. Watch as I drift smoothly around cones, then switch to racing mode. No crashes, no loss of control, just pure performance and durability. Perfect for kids, adults, and RC enthusiasts seeking real thrill. Upgrade your RC experience. Choose HTURCCOP for lasting fun. Ready to race? Click now and feel the difference yourself. Number 4. HERR RC Electric Mini Racing Drift Car. Think RC cars are just simple toys? Think again. As a professional RC hobbyist, I see many overlook performance. Most believe small size means less power and control, but the HERR RC Electric Mini Racing Drift Car defies expectations. At 1/43 scale, it fits in your palm, yet delivers real racing thrills. Equipped with a 2.4 GHz full-scale synchronous remote system, enjoy precise forward, backward, turning, and braking control. The 4x drive mode ensures stability on any indoor surface. Reach speeds up to 15 km/h and experience true drifting. Its rechargeable lithium battery features overcharge protection. ABS and metal construction provide durability and realistic feel. Watch as I drift around cones, smooth, responsive, and powerful. Perfect for hobbyists, enthusiasts, or as a unique gift. Choose from multiple colors to match your style. Upgrade your RC experience. Get the HERR Mini Drift Car today. Number 3, RC Drift Car Remote Control Car. Looking for the ultimate RC car experience? Check this out. Reason 1, lightning fast 20 km/h speed for thrilling races. Feel the adrenaline rush as you drift and race like a pro. Reason 2, 2 sets of tires for racing or epic drifting. Switch between racing and stunt mode in seconds. Total versatility. Reason 3, up to 50 minutes of non-stop playtime. Dual rechargeable batteries mean longer fun, less waiting. 4WD power gives you control on any surface, indoors or out. Cool LED lights make night racing super exciting and stylish. 2.4 GHz remote lets you race friends without interference. Perfect for kids, adults, and serious RC car enthusiasts. Realistic muscle car design. Looks as good as it drives. Easy to swap tires and set up for any challenge. Ready to level up your RC game? Don't wait. Hit the link, grab yours, and start drifting today. Number 2, Sakeye RC Drift Car. Ever seen a car drift and spray mist at once? Meet the Sakeye RC Drift Car, where racing meets spectacle. Watch as LED headlights blaze through every twist and turn. Hit the spray button, suddenly a cool water mist trails behind. Switch between drift and racing tires in seconds. Drift smoothly on tiles or race at 18 km/h on tracks. 4WD power means sharp handling, epic stunts, and total control. Worried about tire wear? Wheels are thickened, removable, and replaceable. 2.4 GHz tech lets multiple racers battle, no interference, just fun. 2 rechargeable batteries, nearly 40 minutes of non-stop action. LED lights flash, spray mists. Every drive is a show, not just a toy. This is a high-end art piece for any shelf. Perfect for kids, adults, hobbyists, and anyone who loves speed. Unleash creativity, customize, race, drift, and amaze your friends. Ready to own the coolest RC car on the block? Grab your Sakeye RC Drift Car and start your racing adventure now. Number 1, Hyper-Go 14303-114 Citroen C3 Fast RC Cars. Unleash pro-level rally racing right from your driveway. Imagine drifting the Citroen C3 WRC day or night. Licensed 114 Citroen replica. Every detail perfectly scaled. Fully synchronized LED headlights, turn signals, and brake lights. Independent gyro and ESC ensure razor-sharp control at speed. Brushless 2845 motor with dual fan cooling built for relentless power. Hit up to 40 mph on 3S LiPo. Feel the adrenaline rush. Switch between drift, rally, and on-road tires for any terrain. Oil-filled shocks and sponge tires absorb bumps like a champion. 6061 aluminum chassis and metal rods. Maximum durability. Zero compromise. 400-foot 2.4 GHz transmitter with light and speed controls. New to RC, activate 70% speed limit for safe learning. Powder metallurgy gears deliver unstoppable 4-watt power output. Upgrade ready. Add accessories and batteries as your skills grow. Gift the thrill, perfect for adult hobbyists and car enthusiasts. Ready to experience next-level RC rally? Get yours today. All the product links mentioned are in the description box. If this video helped you, please give the video a like. Subscribe to our channel and press the bell to keep up to date on the latest videos. Thanks for watching.